Hi, I'm Val from Val's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making some creamy rice pudding. This isn't the kind of pudding that's put into the oven like a lot of them are. Today I'm going to be doing it in a double boiler on top of the stove, and it is a fabulous rice pudding. I've had it since I was a child. So we're ready to check out the ingredients. Okay, we have all the ingredients here. A half of a cup of white rice, half of a cup of raisins, half a cup of sugar. We're going to be using a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of water, and 1 can of evaporated milk. I have already started my pot of boiling water here on the bottom of my double cooker, and I'm ready to put it together. So first, in my pot, I'm going to put in my rice, my raisins, a half a teaspoon of my salt, my water, and the evaporated milk. And stir that up. And that's all that's going to go in there at the moment. Then I'll put it on the top of my double boiler, or put it on the bottom of my double boiler, sorry. And which is already boiling, and set the timer. It should take about an hour and 10 minutes, and I'm just going to stir it occasionally. Okay, looks like the rice pudding is thickened up nicely, and it's ready for the sugar part of it. So I'm going to put in my half a cup of sugar and stir that in. Okay. Now I didn't mention that one of the things you could have added, which I don't put in my rice pudding, but a lot of people like either cinnamon or nutmeg in rice pudding, so you could have put a little bit of that in at the beginning as well. But I don't like it in my rice pudding. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let that chill a bit, and then I'm going to add the vanilla to that afterwards. So we'll just let it chill a bit first. Okay, the rice pudding has cooled a little bit. I've left it sitting out for a bit, and now I can put in a spoon of vanilla. A little bit too much there. Stir that all in, and my rice pudding is done. I can put it into my dishes. If you like it warm, you can have it a little bit warm. If you like it cold, you can chill it in the fridge and serve it cold. Whatever way you like it, it's nice and creamy and delicious. There we go. Creamy rice pudding. For more recipes, subscribe to my channel.